At least once in a lifetime, every rider encounters the urge to repair their bikes while riding. Sometimes they need to tighten a rattling bottle cage, plug a tubeless tire, and even fix a broken chain. And to accomplish all these chores comfortably, you need to choose the best bike multi-tool. In today's video, we've talked about the top 5 best multi-tools for cycling and bike multi-tools based on the features and functionalities. So without further ado, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Combining style, technology, and innovative functionalities and being one of the lightest multi-tools on the list, the Lezyne Wrap 219 CO2 offers you a bike workshop, but in a compact size. This bike multi-tool offers a series of handy tools, including an integrated machined aluminum CO2 dispenser, which will help you inflate your bike tires efficiently and conveniently. Alongside this one, this tool's got ergonomic side plates that are machined from lightweight aluminum. It has steel tool bits to tighten a bottle cage or anything that your gravel, mountain, road, and e-bike require. This nifty little system also comes with a quick link holder, a chain breaker, 4-spoke wrenches, and so on. Surprisingly, even though it is loaded with many tools, it weighs only 5.57 ounces, and that's why you'll barely feel anything bulky while carrying. Overall, this Lezyne Wrap 219 CO2 boasts almost all bike tools you may need to fix bike-related issues while riding both on and off the road. Ensuring all-around performance and featuring a sleek design and premium construction, this Crankbrothers F-15 offers all the bike tools in a nice little case to eliminate bike hiccups and help you ride comfortably. This mini bike tool boasts 15 functions with a high-powered magnetized case. This magnetic case not only stores all tools compactly but also works as a handle for additional leverage. Like the other standard multi-tools, this one is equipped with 4-spoke wrenches, 2 screwdrivers, hex wrenches, and of course a chain tool which works with 8 to 12 speed chains. And the best feature is it's located on the back side of the case, a built-in bottle opener for post-ride refreshments. Lastly, at 5.78 ounces, this multi-tool neither requires ample space in a pack nor adds too much unbearable weight. To conclude, whether it's about decreasing your bike chain, aligning wheels, or tightening spokes, you don't need to haul your favorite bike to the workshop anymore, as this Crankbrothers F-15 will serve everything you need for common mechanicals. Your bike may encounter several mechanical issues while out in the trail, and with the right tool, like the Blackburn Tradesman, offers the best value for your money. Yes, it is loaded with all the essential tools that you're gonna need in a bike multi-tool. For instance, it's got 7 Allen wrenches that let you adjust screws on brake levers, saddle bolts, and bottle cage bolts much quicker. This 6.2-ounce bike multi-tool contains 2 Torx wrenches, a flathead screwdriver for repairing common bike problems. It also has a disc pad spreader, which saves you time and helps you go drag-free. There are L-shaped hex keys for hard-to-reach bolts, a chain breaker, a quick link tool, and quick link storage for added convenience. Altogether, they offer 18 mechanical functions, and due to their stainless steel and cast aluminum construction, they will endure years of high wear and tear. In a nutshell, this Blackburn Tradesman is a complete toolbox in your pocket that helps you solve common and stubborn mechanical problems in a snap. Meet our second best pick, which is the Crankbrothers M20. Another fantastic multi-tool from the renowned brand Crankbrothers. This little bike repairing tool is equipped with everything you need to solve most bike problems. This repairing kit houses 20 tools, including 7 hex wrenches, 3 spoke wrenches, 2 Phillips and 1 flat screwdriver, 2 Torx keys, a chain tool, compatible with 8 to 12 speed chains, and many more. Additionally, it's got some specialty tools such as a tire plug tool for flat tires, a valve core removal tool, and a rotor straightener. All these tools are made out of stainless steel for ultimate durability. And for convenient storage, this 7.16-ounce multi-tool offers a storage case, which you can use to store chain links as well. So, if you search for a multi-tool that provides something extra for your budget and serves the best performance for an extended period, then this Crankbrothers M20 has got you covered. As our overall best option, we have listed this Topeak Mini PD30, which covers all the essential and premium quality bike repairing tools that you'll find beneficial for you. Its body is forged from high-quality aluminum. The tools are constructed of chrome vanadium steel to ensure maximum longevity. It features several repairing utensils including Allen wrenches, Torx wrenches, chromo steel chain tool, chromo master link tool, chain hook, screwdrivers, and so on. But what sets this apart from the rest of the multi-tools is its tubeless tire reamer, a tubeless plug insertion tool, and a serrated knife for repairing flat tires. Finally, to keep all these tools safe and secured and help you carry the device conveniently, this 5.96-ounce multi-tool comes with a neoprene bag. All in all, this Topeak Mini PD30 boasts plenty of tools that make your roadside bike maintenance a breeze and aid in maximizing your riding fun. So that was all about the top 5 best multi-tools for cycling and bike multi-tools for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.